Hi everyone, today our chapter will be on rocks and minerals. Let's look in detail on what is rocks and minerals all about. Minerals are always solid with particles in repeating pattern crystals. They are found in nature. They are also formed near the surface when oxygen, calcium and carbon combine in the ocean. And due to extensive hot mineral-rich water moves slowly through the cracks in the Earth's crust. These are the examples of minerals. For example, quartz, iron, calcite, diamond, and hematite with different colors of calcite as well. These are the properties of minerals. They streak, luster, and also hardness, which means they indicate a different properties and identifies the minerals in nature. These are the uses of minerals. Quartz are used to make glass, diamonds to make jewels. Many things that we use and see every day are made up of iron. And finally, hematite can be used to make art. What are the three methods that can be used to determine a mineral's hardness? Definitely, it's the fingernail, panning, and also nail. Let's look into rocks. Rocks are made up of two or more minerals. They are not crystals, but some rocks form near the surface while others deep in the crust. There are three major type categories of rocks known as igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Igneous rocks are formed when melted rocks are hardened. Fine-grained rocks which are smooth are from the lava, whereas the coarse-grained rocks which are rough are from the magma. These are the examples of igneous rocks: obsidian and basalt, with pumice and granite. Looking into sedimentary rocks, they formed layers of sediment created due to weathering and also soil erosion. Fossils are found in sedimentary rocks. Conglomerate rocks have larger pieces. They are in shallow water. Siltstone made up of smaller pieces. Limestone is from fine-grained rock. And finally, sandstone is made up of grains of the size. Metamorphic rocks are existing rocks which are changed through high heat and pressure due to form of different rocks. Literally, morph means change. Examples of metamorphic rocks can be schist, igneous, marble, and finally slate. Let's look into rock cycle. Most cycles is where the material are used over and over again, whereby this process includes weathering, erosion, deposition, melting, compaction, and finally cementation. This is the diagram of the rock cycle. It always starts off with the magma, and due to the formation of crystallization of magma, the igneous rocks are formed. On the other hand, the weathering of the rocks at the surface forms due to erosion and the particles are transported into the seabed. The depositions of sediment and the burial with the compactations form sedimentary rocks. Deformation and metamorphism also forms metamorphic rocks due to extensive heat and pressure. And finally, the metamorphic rocks melt and form again the magma. On the other side, as the crystallization happens in the intrusive igneous rocks, there is also extrusive igneous rock which forms at the outer layer due to volcano eruption. And this particular, due to the crystallization, intrusive igneous rock slowly uplift to the surface and connects with the erosion and also the soil erosion and also weathering. This is a clearer picture of how exactly the rock cycles work. So it starts with magma. Due to cooling process, they form igneous rock. Due to weathering and erosion, the sedimentary rocks form, and then high pressure and temperature causes metamorphic, and due to melting again, it forms back magma. So this entire cycle are known as rock cycle. Let's move on into question and answer session. What are the types of rock in the formation of rock cycle? Give an example of igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary rocks. The answers are: types of rock in the formation of rock cycle would be igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary. An example of igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary rocks are known as igneous granite, metamorphic marble, and finally sedimentary sandstone. That's all for now. Thank you everyone.